How to change your Gmail account password. Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail account password. First of all, you have to open your YouTube, and here you have to tap on this your Google accounts option. Here you can see you have to click on this. When you click on this your Google account option, here you have to wait for few seconds. After that, here you can see there. Now here you have to tap on the security button. Here you can see you have to click on the security icon. Here you can see when you click on this, now here you have to scroll down a bit, and here you will see an option password. You have to click on this password button. When you click on password button, now click on this password button. After clicking on password button, here you have to tap. Here you have to click on this another way. Here you have to click on try another way. When you click on this, now here you have to add your fingerprint password. After adding your fingerprint or password, now here you can change your password of your Gmail account. Now here you have to add your new password. In this way you can change your Google or Gmail account password. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.